Hello students, welcome to Mad Educators, another official YouTube channel Chemistry by Mad Educator, specially designed for chemistry, and I'm your online educator for the subject chemistry. Students, in today's session we are going to solve this numerical. This numerical is from class 11 first unit basic concept of chemistry. Question number 1.7. Student, read these questions very carefully. How much copper can be obtained from 100 gram of copper sulfate? Okay. सो वी विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन स्टेप बाय स्टेप. वीडियो का अंत तक जरूर देखें ताकि आपके सारे डाउट्स रिलेटेड दिस क्वेश्चंस क्लियर हो सके. ठीक है, तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. So to find the amount of copper that can be obtained from the 100 gram of copper sulfate, we first need to determine the molar mass of CuSO4 and the relative proportion of copper within it. So firstly we will find out the atomic mass. Atomic mass, the approximate atomic masses of the constituent elements are copper 63.55 unit, sulfur 32.06 unit, and oxygen which is equal to 16 unit. Okay, so molar mass of copper sulfate is molar mass of copper sulfate. So molar mass of copper sulfate is equal to atomic mass of copper plus atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen, right? So molar mass copper की 63, atomic mass 63.55 plus 32.6 for sulfur and 4 into oxygen में 16, right? So 16 for oxygen, which is equal to 159.61 gram per mole. Calculation of copper mass. The mass of copper in 100 gram of copper sulfate is determined by the ratio of atomic mass of copper and to the total mass of the compound. So mass of copper which is equal to atomic mass of copper divided by the molar mass of copper sulfate into total mass of sample. So mass of copper which is equal to 63.55 divided by 159.61 into 100 gram. So mass of copper which is near about 0.3981 into 100 gram, and mass of copper which is equal to 39.81 gram. Okay, so approximately 39.81 gram of copper can be obtained from the 100 gram of copper sulfate. Okay, so hope this video helps you clear all the doubts related to this question. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. टेक केयर फॉर सेल्फ एंड ऑल्सो योर फैमिली.